Hello, welcome to Sherry's Fun Fan Classroom. Today, we will learn about the wiring method of three-phase AC motor. Now let's show you. The three-phase AC motor is a relatively common motor with two connection methods, star and delta. Take one of the R4D310 series products as an example. The yellow and green wires are connected to ground wires PE. The black wire is connected to the three-phase power supply L1. The blue wire is connected to the three-phase power supply L2. The brown wire is connected to the three-phase power supply L3. The star connection method requires the yellow, green, and white wire to be short-circuited together. For delta connection, for delta you need to short-circuit the black wire and the yellow wire. The blue wire and the green wire. And the brown wire and the white wire. Note that some fans cannot use the triangle connection method under 400 V voltage to avoid burning the fan. Please refer to the specification sheet for specific wiring and power supply methods. The two gray wires are thermal protectors. The top output is a normally closed contact. When the winding temperature is higher than the top set value, the contact will open. When the winding temperature is lower than the top set value, the contact will close. It is used in the control loop of the fan to cut off the power supply to protect the fan when the winding temperature is high. Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.